In this video, we're going to share 12 unique machines that you can purchase on AliExpress that can be used to kickstart a business empire. Links to all machines can be found in the description below. Let's dive in. Machine 1. Solar Panel Cleaning Machine. Let's kick things off with the solar panel cleaning machine, a crucial tool for the maintenance of solar panels. Priced at approximately $400 on AliExpress, this machine is a perfect low-investment way to start a specialist cleaning business. It not only enhances the efficiency and lifespan of solar panels, but also positions you to tap into the expanding renewable energy market. As the global shift towards sustainable energy sources continues, investing in this machine opens doors to a growing and environmentally conscious customer base. Machine 2. Small-Scale Distillery Machine. Next in line is the small-scale distillery machine, a game-changer for those looking to venture into the world of craft beverages. With a price tag of around $300, this versatile machine provides an entry point into the flourishing artisanal production market. Whether you're interested in distilling spirits, beers, or wine, this investment offers a unique opportunity to cater to the rising demand for high-quality, locally crafted products. One advantage of this business is that it can be easily scaled by investing in higher capacity equipment as your business starts to grow. Machine 3. Laser Welding and Cleaning Machine. Precision takes the stage with our third contender, the Laser Welding and Cleaning Machine. Priced at approximately $5,000, this machine caters to industries where accuracy is paramount. Small workshops and businesses seeking to elevate their services through high-quality laser welding and cleaning capabilities will find immense value in this investment. As technology advances, the demand for precise and efficient manufacturing processes continues to grow, positioning this machine as a key player in various industries. The higher cost of this machine means that there's a higher barrier to entry for potential competitors offering similar services. Machine 4. Soy Milk and Tofu Machine. As plant-based diets gain momentum, the $300 soy milk and tofu machine presents a lucrative opportunity. This machine enables entrepreneurs to produce fresh soy milk and tofu, catering to the rising demand for healthy, plant-based alternatives. With health-conscious consumers actively seeking such products, investing in this machine not only aligns with current dietary trends, but also taps into a market that shows no signs of slowing down. These products would be perfect to sell at food markets or even to local independent grocery stores. Machine 5. 360-degree Photo Booth Machine. Shifting gears to the entertainment industry, we have the $1,200 360-degree Photo Booth Machine. Events, parties, and weddings are always in need of something unique, and this machine provides an immersive 360-degree photo experience, setting it apart from traditional photo booths. As memories become increasingly digital, this machine addresses the desire for interactive and shareable experiences, making it a valuable asset for event organizers and party planners. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also remember you can find links to all of these awesome machines in the description below. Machine 6. Hydroponic Farming Machine. Venturing into agriculture, our sixth machine is the Hydroponic Farming Machine, priced at approximately $400. This machine revolutionizes traditional farming by enabling the growth of crops without soil. As the demand for sustainable and efficient farming practices rises, this investment allows entrepreneurs to explore urban farming or enter the market with fresh, locally grown produce. To win in this business, you need to produce plants that are in high demand, so make sure to do your research before setting up. Machine 7. Car Key Programming Tool. Stepping into the automotive industry, the $800 car key programming tool addresses the growing need for specialized tools. As cars become more technologically advanced, the demand for services related to key programming and security increases. This machine positions entrepreneurs to tap into the automotive maintenance and repair sector, providing essential services for modern vehicles. Machine 8. Cryotherapy Skincare Machine. For those venturing into the wellness and beauty industry, the Cryotherapy Skincare Machine, priced at approximately $800, stands as a cutting-edge investment. With advanced technology, this machine offers cryotherapy treatments, attracting health and beauty enthusiasts. In an era where skincare and wellness are prioritized, this machine caters to a market that values innovative and effective beauty solutions. All you'd need is a small studio space and you'd be able to start offering lucrative beauty services straight away. Machine 9. Potato Chip Making Machine. Everyone loves a good snack, and the $300 potato chip making machine provides a delightful business opportunity. Starting your own artisanal potato chip business not only taps into the snack market, but also offers a customizable and locally produced alternative to mass market chips. With consumers increasingly seeking unique and high-quality snack options, this machine positions entrepreneurs for success in the food industry. This machine would also need to be paired with a frying and drying machine. However, the cost of starting the business is relatively low in comparison to other food businesses. Machine 10. Clay Brick Making Machine. Diving into construction, and by far our most expensive machine on the list, the $16,000 clay brick making machine offers an opportunity to produce clay bricks. This investment contributes to construction projects and the housing market, providing a sustainable business avenue. As urbanization continues, the demand for construction materials grows, making this machine a valuable asset for those looking to enter the building industry. Machine 11. Dumpling Making Machine. For the food enthusiasts, the $2,000 dumpling making machine streamlines the process of dumpling production. Perfect for aspiring chefs or entrepreneurs in the food industry, this machine satisfies the cravings of hungry customers. With the global popularity of diverse cuisines, investing in this machine positions entrepreneurs to capitalize on the demand for convenient and high-quality food products. Machine 12. Business Card Cutting Machine. Last but not least, the $1,600 business card cutting machine is a valuable addition for those already in the print and design industry, ensuring precision and efficiency in cutting business cards. This machine caters to professionals and businesses in need of high-quality marketing material. As networking and brand visibility remain crucial in various industries, this investment provides an essential service for businesses looking to make a lasting impression. There you have it. A deep dive into 12 unique Aliexpress machines that can set your entrepreneurial journey in motion. Whether you're interested in technology, agriculture, food, or beauty, these machines offer diverse opportunities. Let us know in the comments which machine sparked your interest, and if you've already embarked on a business journey with Aliexpress machines, share your experiences. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.